Today we have a 2014 Ram 1500 Eco Diesel. So this is a really sweet setup. This truck's a Laramie edition. We'll go through the insides and what all that means. It does have factory Dodge wheels. It does have a leveling kit for the front. So the front is lifted just slightly. So it looks like a 4x4, but it's really, you get the gas mileage of a two-wheel drive and you get the gas mileage benefit of an Eco Diesel. This thing has tons of power, gets really good gas mileage and drives really smooth. So let's check out the inside. So to start these Eco Diesels, this one's already warmed up a little bit from the morning. I've got the key in my pocket. You just push the start stop. Now what you might notice, so this one started up immediately. What will happen sometimes is it won't start up immediately because it's an Eco Diesel. That's perfect, that's fine, normal operating. What it'll do is you'll see the glow plug light turn on. You wait about 2 or 3 seconds and then the engine starts. So that's how it warms up the glow plug. This truck is fully loaded on the inside. So we've got full connection with Bluetooth radio, Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth everything. It also has some speakers underneath the back seat. So I'll show you guys the speakers in the back seat, some subwoofers. This thing bumps pretty good. It has the nice wood trim. So this one also does have heated seats and cooled seats on both sides. It also has a heated steering wheel. That's really nice for the cold mornings here in Southern California that we have. To get this car out of park, you just put your foot on the brake and twist this knob, and now it's in drive. So there's no shifter up here to get in the way or do any of that. Put it back in park, you roll that knob, and that's it. Let's check out the subwoofers in the back seat. This has the Alpine amp in the back here with a couple of crossovers over here. 2 nice 8-inch subwoofers, one on each side. There are some power leads attached here for some iPhone plugins or any sort of cigarette lighter input that you want. So this truck is set up to do like a nice cross-country road trip with some bumpin' tunes. So if you want to check this truck out, it has 68,700 miles on it right now. If you want to check this truck out, come down to Charlie's Foreign Car and I'll show it to you.